Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. If you are still inviting friends to join your Facebook group manually like this, let me show you how to automate it using the 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐶 software. First, you need to open the 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐶 software and select the account interaction feature. Next, select Create a new script. Normally, in this section you will set up an automatic interaction scenario to create an action history for your Facebook accounts. However, today I will show you how to use this feature to automatically send Facebook group invitations to your friends. Here, you set the number of invitations you want to send with one Facebook account. If your Facebook account is managing multiple groups, this feature will send an invitation to join a randomly selected group. To invite friends to a specific group, convert the group link into a UID and add it to the software for use. You will set it up the same way as in the previous section. Based on your needs, you will set the number of actions and the interval between two interactions. Save the scenario, select the accounts, and click Start. If you have any questions, you can contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next videos.